Good lighting can make all the difference, whether you're shooting photos, setting up a workspace, or making sure your plants get the right amount of light. But guessing isn't good enough when precision matters. In this video, we're exploring the 5 best digital light meters that offer accurate readings, easy use, and reliable performance for photographers, designers, and everyday users alike. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Swevy SW6013 Digital Light Meter. Designed as a digital illuminometer for both professional and practical applications, this lux meter measures light intensity across an extended range from 0 to 200,000 lux, supporting accurate evaluation of indoor and outdoor lighting conditions. Whether assessing workspace compliance, studio brightness, greenhouse exposure, or general environmental lighting, it delivers structured and quantifiable results. The sensor architecture is optimized for responsive light detection, converting incident illumination into reliable digital readings, displayed clearly on the integrated LCD screen. Dual unit measurement in lux and foot candles expands its utility across regions and technical standards, ensuring compatibility with varied lighting specifications. This flexibility is particularly relevant for engineers, electricians, photographers, and safety inspectors, who require precise conversion and standardized reporting. Its pocket-sized construction emphasizes portability without compromising functional capability. The lightweight housing enables convenient transport between job sites, rooms, or facilities, making it suitable for spot checks as well as systematic light audits. The LCD interface provides straightforward readability, allowing users to interpret values quickly during field measurements without complex configuration. Certification under CE and RoHS standards reinforces compliance with recognized safety and environmental regulations, reflecting adherence to established electronic manufacturing protocols. The absence of high-concern chemical materials aligns with responsible product design expectations. Although the unit does not include a battery by default, it supports straightforward power integration, allowing users to select compatible cells based on operational needs. Engineered for clarity and operational efficiency, the SW6013 offers consistent light intensity evaluation across residential, commercial, and industrial contexts. By delivering a broad detection spectrum combined with portable convenience and dual unit measurement, it supports informed lighting optimization, energy management decisions, and compliance verification in diverse environments. Pros: wide range, dual units, portable size, clear display. Cons: no battery, basic features. Number 4. Victor 1010M Digital Light Meter. With the 1010M integrated into your toolkit, illumination assessment becomes both quantitative and environmentally contextual. Designed as a handheld digital illuminance meter, it measures light intensity up to 200,000 lux, providing the dynamic range required for evaluating everything from low-level indoor lighting to high-intensity outdoor exposure. This capability makes it suitable for architectural lighting verification, photography setups, workplace compliance checks, and environmental research. The sensing module is engineered to capture ambient light accurately and convert it into stable digital output displayed on the integrated screen. Rapid sampling ensures that changing light conditions are reflected promptly, enabling real-time adjustment of fixtures or positioning. Beyond standard lux measurement, the device incorporates ambient temperature monitoring, adding a secondary environmental parameter that can be relevant when analyzing performance conditions in studios, greenhouses, or technical facilities where heat and light interplay. Its handheld configuration supports mobility and operational flexibility. The ergonomic structure allows one-handed measurement, simplifying fieldwork and spot inspections. This is particularly beneficial for electricians, safety inspectors, and facility managers who require immediate readings while moving between zones. The absence of high-concern chemical components reflects adherence to responsible material standards, aligning with modern electronic manufacturing expectations. Although the unit does not include a battery by default, it is designed for straightforward power installation, ensuring users can select compatible batteries according to their operational preferences. The broad measurement ceiling of 200,000 lux positions it well for both controlled indoor environments and bright exterior applications, where high luminance levels must be quantified precisely. By combining wide-range illuminance detection with ambient temperature measurement in a compact handheld format, the 1010M serves as a practical diagnostic instrument for lighting optimization, energy efficiency planning, and environmental monitoring across diverse professional scenarios. Pros: high range, temperature measure, handheld design, fast response. Cons: no battery, limited functions. Number 3. Uni-T UT383BT Digital Light Meter. Designed as a compact digital luxometer, it measures illuminance from 0 to 199,900 lux, covering low-level indoor lighting and high-intensity environments with equal reliability. Its sensing system is optimized for precision, incorporating calibrated light source compensation to enhance measurement stability and minimize deviation under varied illumination spectra. A defining capability of this model is integrated Bluetooth connectivity. The UT383BT pairs seamlessly with Uni-T's dedicated mobile application, enabling wireless data transfer for structured storage and analytical review. This feature transforms the device from a standalone meter into a portable data acquisition tool, particularly useful for photographers, lighting engineers, safety inspectors, and facility managers who require documented readings for reporting or compliance verification. Logged data can be reviewed over time, supporting comparative analysis and lighting optimization strategies. Despite its technical capability, the form factor remains compact and highly portable. The mini design supports effortless handling during field inspections or on-site evaluations, fitting comfortably in one hand or pocket. This mobility allows efficient measurement across multiple locations without cumbersome equipment. The display provides clear digital readouts, ensuring that readings are immediately interpretable during active assessments. Energy efficiency is reinforced through voltage stability control technology, which regulates internal power consumption to maintain consistent sensor performance while extending operational duration. Low power draw not only improves battery longevity, but also supports measurement accuracy by stabilizing electrical conditions within the device. With calibrated sensing, wireless data synchronization, and a wide measurement range, the UT383BT serves as a practical illuminance diagnostic instrument for professional and technical applications. It balances portability, connectivity, and measurement precision, making it suitable for photographic lighting evaluation, architectural verification, and industrial safety assessments where accurate lux data is essential. Pros: Bluetooth sync, compact size, high precision, wide range. Cons: app dependence, no battery. Number 2. Habotest HT620 Digital Light Meter. Engineered as a handheld digital illuminance meter, it supports a wide detection range up to 200,000 lux, enabling accurate evaluation of lighting conditions across low-intensity indoor environments and high-brightness outdoor settings. This extended range makes it suitable for architectural verification, industrial inspections, photographic lighting calibration, and workspace compliance assessments. The sensing system is designed to convert ambient light exposure into stable digital readings displayed clearly on its screen. Rapid response characteristics allow the device to reflect real-time fluctuations in brightness, supporting immediate adjustments to lighting arrangements or environmental controls. In addition to lux measurement, the HT620 integrates ambient temperature detection, providing supplementary environmental context that can be valuable when evaluating heat-generating light sources or climate-sensitive spaces. Its handheld configuration emphasizes ergonomic practicality. The structure supports single-handed operation, allowing technicians and inspectors to conduct spot measurements efficiently across multiple locations. Whether used in offices, warehouses, laboratories, classrooms, or outdoor installations, the compact format ensures mobility without sacrificing measurement capability. Compliance with CE and ROHS certification standards reflects adherence to recognized safety and environmental manufacturing protocols. The absence of high-concern chemical materials aligns with responsible production expectations. Although the unit does not include a battery by default, it is designed for straightforward battery installation, enabling users to select compatible power sources according to operational requirements. By combining high-range illuminance detection with temperature measurement in a portable instrument, the HT620 functions as a versatile diagnostic tool for lighting optimization, energy efficiency planning, and environmental monitoring. Its balanced integration of range capacity, portability, and compliance credentials positions it as a reliable solution for professionals who require consistent and accurate light intensity evaluation across varied applications. Pros: high range, temperature measure, portable design, certified quality. Cons: no battery. Number 1, and the winner is Btmeter BT-8801A digital light meter. Engineered with an ultra-wide range from 1 to 400,000 lux and a ±4% precision, it delivers reliable readings suitable for offices, factories, hospitals, studios, and outdoor applications where accurate lighting assessment is critical. This broad spectrum allows users to evaluate both low ambient lighting and extremely bright conditions with confidence. The device incorporates multiple smart measurement modes to enhance versatility. Auto and manual range selection accommodates varying lighting conditions, while the data hold function enables users to freeze readings for convenient documentation. The relative measurement mode further supports comparative analysis, allowing quick evaluation against reference values or prior measurements without complex calculations. A standout feature is the rotatable sensor head, adjustable up to 270 degrees, which improves ergonomics and flexibility during measurements. Combined with its lightweight 190-gram body, the meter facilitates comfortable one-handed operation, supporting field inspections and spot checks across multiple locations without fatigue. Its design makes it practical for professionals who require portability without sacrificing functional capability. The integrated display presents maximum readings up to 3,999 in clear digital format, with a resolution of 0.1 lux or foot candle, ensuring subtle variations in illumination are captured and interpretable. Temperature monitoring within the 0 to 40 degrees Celsius range adds environmental context, particularly useful for light-sensitive equipment or heat-producing fixtures. The meter's operational and storage tolerances, including up to 70% relative humidity during use, ensure reliability in varied conditions. Supplied with a reference chart for standard lighting levels, the BT-8801A not only measures but also guides users toward achieving optimal illumination standards. Its combination of professional-grade precision, flexible measurement modes, rotatable sensor, and portable design establishes it as a practical and reliable tool for consistent light quality assessment in professional settings. Pros: ultra-wide range, high accuracy, rotatable sensor, portable design. Cons: limited temperature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.